Hey, it's Wesley Dotson down here at Central Kentucky Classic Cars, and man, do I got a good one for you. I got a 1965 Ford Mustang Fastback. This car's finished beautifully with the Eleanor ground effect package. It's got chrome, brand new US mag wheels on it. It's got the 302 V8 vintage air power steering, disc brakes. It's got the AOD automatic transmission in it. We're going to take a look at it. If you have any questions on this car, you can give me a call at 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping, and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. And we're going to take a look at this 1965 Ford Mustang Fastback. Like I said, this car's finished beautifully. It's finished in red with the white racing stripes. It's got the Eleanor ground effect package on the car. Absolutely gorgeous. They put hood pins in it. It's got the little scoop hood. Really looks good. That red paint is in excellent condition. Really nice. Love the Eleanor ground effect package. We'll take a look at the passenger side of the interior first. All the interior is finished beautifully. Really looks good. It's got a nice center console there with cup holders. You always need cup holders when you're at the show. You need them to put your pop. You never have a place to put your pop, but in this car you will. It's got the vintage air conditioning, drop down air that really works good. It makes a big difference when you're at the car show, and you can turn on the air for your wife. She's going to want that, so, or your husband, either way. So we'll take a look in. I'm going to take you around and show you the inside of the trunk here. Like I said, inside the trunk is finished beautifully. Has a really nice finish to it. It's got a nice carpeting inside the trunk. Let me show you here. All inside the trunk's finished beautifully. Really looks good. Like I said, it's got a nice carpeting inside the trunk. It looks good. It's got the fold down rear seat on this car as well. All the trunk lid itself looks great. Really nice and clean. It's got the stripes on it. Really looks good. Got the Cobra gas cap. But we'll shut the trunk here. We'll start it up and we'll see how it sounds. 302 really sounds good. All the paint and body work on this car is in excellent condition. Really looks good. Show you the doors here. All the doors look good. Back seat all looks good. Really nice and clean on the interior. Cut it off here. I'll show you underneath the hood. It does have all the gauges in the dash. So, shut the door. And we'll show you underneath the hood here. Like I said, this car is powered by the 302 V8. It has disc brakes on it, power steering. It has vintage air conditioning. Just really nice and clean underneath the hood. Lots of chrome. Really just sharp and stands tall. Shut the hood here. We'll take one more quick look at the 1965 Ford Mustang Fastback. If you have any questions on this car, you can give me a call at 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping, and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. And we're going to take this Mustang for a test drive and see how it does. Also, stay tuned at the end for an underneath video. We have a video of the underneath at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that after the test drive. Well, here we go for the test drive. All right, we're going to take this 1965 Ford Mustang Fastback for a test drive and see how it does. Absolutely gorgeous day here in Kentucky. Got the air conditioner down here. Show you it working. Might be hard to hear in the video, but it is blowing out the vents and blowing cold. We're going to take this car for a drive and see how it does. Radio works great as well. Can't show you in the video due to copyright purposes due to YouTube, but if you'd like to have a video of the radio working, just let me know. Be glad to get that over to you. Well, we're going to take this Mustang for a drive and see how it does. right way. No rattles or shakes in the car. Doesn't pull to the left or the right. Just really, really nice and clean. I'm going to turn around and head back here. Show you the turn signals working here. Oh, there's that side. I'm going to show them the other side too. There's the other side. Both of them working great. Horn works. We're going to turn around and head back here. And like we do every time, I'll have Dad get on it just a little bit. And we'll see what this 1965 Ford Mustang Fastback is made of. Got a little bit of traffic coming here.
A lot of work's been done to this car, Wes. Frame off. Nice car.
All right. Car's got good power, shifts through all the gears the right way. Like I said, just an excellent running driving car. We are almost back here. And like I say every time, don't forget to like and subscribe on our page. Helps us out a ton. You can see more cool muscle cars and trucks just like this one. If you have any questions on this car, give us a call at 859-621-5572. Go on our website at CentralKentuckyClassicCars.com. We're going to show you what this car looks like underneath. And here's that underneath video.